Mini, the iconic brand known for its compact efficiency and timeless appearance, has ventured into the world of two-wheel mobility with its latest creation, the Mini E-Bike 1. In a collaboration with the esteemed French brand Angell Mobility, Mini has introduced a groundbreaking e-bike that redefines the concept of customization and performance in the world of urban commuting. The Mini E-Bike 1 is a true marvel of adaptability. Unlike traditional e-bikes, this revolutionary two-wheeler is developed to cater to riders of all dimensions. Whether you're tall or short, this bike effortlessly adjusts to your needs. Crafted with city commuters in mind, it boasts an aluminum frame and a thermoplastic chain guard. In essence, it's akin to the Swiss Army knife of e-bikes, purpose-built to accommodate various styles of riding. Power is another aspect where the Mini E-Bike 1 excels. Equipped with a robust 250-watt rear hub motor, this e-bike offers impressive acceleration and control. You can easily manage its performance settings through an integrated cockpit or even your smartphone. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a 2.1 kg swappable battery pack, cleverly concealed beneath what appears to be a luggage rack. This innovative appearance not only preserves the bike's aesthetic, but also makes charging a seamless experience. What truly sets the Mini E-Bike 1 apart is its companion app. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can effortlessly lock, unlock, and locate your bike, thanks to its built-in GPS functionality. Whether you need to embark on a pre-dawn journey or late-night ride, this e-bike has you covered. It comes equipped with front and rear lights, ensuring that you remain visible and safe at all times. The future of urban mobility just got a lot more colorful with the Mini E-Bike 1, which comes in two stunning and eye-catching colors, ocean wave green and vibrant silver. These hues are not just any random choice, they pay homage to Mini's iconic palette, adding a touch of nostalgia to the futuristic ride. But here's the real kicker, the Mini E-Bike 1 is not just an ordinary e-bike, it's a limited edition masterpiece. Only 1,959 of these remarkable e-bikes will be produced, a number chosen to commemorate the year when the first Mini Cooper hit the streets. This limited production run ensures that each Mini E-Bike 1 is not just a mode of transportation, but a piece of automotive history, developed to capture the essence of Mini's heritage. Of course, such exclusivity comes with a price, and the Mini E-Bike 1 is tagged at $3,716. While it may be considered a premium investment for the modern commuter, it's worth noting that this e-bike is not just about style, it's packed with features that cater to the needs of urban riders. From its customizable appearance to its powerful electric motor and intuitive smartphone app, the Mini E-Bike 1 represents a forward-looking approach to urban mobility. It's not merely a means of getting from point A to point B, it's a statement, a conversation piece, and a commitment to a greener and more efficient future. In summary, the Mini E-Bike 1 is a remarkable fusion of cutting-edge technology and iconic appearance philosophy. It caters to the diverse needs of urban commuters with its customizable features, robust electric motor, and user-friendly app. With Mini's foray into the world of electric mobility, the Mini E-Bike 1 is set to become a symbol of efficient and stylish urban transportation, much like its four-wheeled counterparts. What do you think about the new bike? Write your opinion in the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel and God bless you.